Hey, what's up everyone? This is Galaxy Fang. Back with a new video. We're doing it outside because, well, it's nice outside. Either way, please leave a like on the video if you're new. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe and comment. Today we'll be checking out the Star Wars Forge Saber collection. I got two of them right next to me, of Mace Windu and Ahsoka Tunnel. Here's the parts. This gimmick basically lets you build your own lightsaber. Each lightsaber is different. We got the saber, and the saber goes in like, you want to put it in this piece right here? Okay, we got that. This right here is my favorite because right there you can see the kyber crystal, what powers it up, being put right there. Ahsoka Tano's is a white one, so it's a whitish gray. And this is the hilt, pushable button. Sadly, no, it does not light up, but it's still fun to mess with. Either way, they connect together. When you hear that clicking noise, it's put together. And you can see as I'm swinging it, the blade will not come out. None of the pieces will come out once it's, clicked together. Either way, let's get to Mace Windu's. I already put the saber together, but as you can see, it has the old Jedi Republic and Jedi Council symbol. And I like Mace Windu. He's one of my favorite characters from Star Wars. And same thing with his. His lightsaber's purple, so his kyber crystal is purple. Like the other one, you just want to push this in here to click. Same thing with this. You just want to, once that click, and as the same as the other one, will not come off once it's clicked in. Either way, this is fun. But it has more abilities. And there's a bee here. Who cares? Either way, what you could do with these is take one piece off and accessorize. Basically, taking the saber out, like I'm doing right now. Actually, I'm going to let this be a surprise. Give me 5 seconds and oh yeah. Now, I bought these from Walmart and I think that's the only place you could get them. I could be wrong. But of my knowledge, that's where I got them. So each one of these are $14.99. Which ain't too expensive, so that's a good thing. And I just realized I might have put this on backwards. Sorry if this is taking too long. You can fast forward in the video if you want to the completed project, or you can stay with me. Let's start with this one. As you can see, I took the Mace Windu saber and put it on the Ahsoka Tano. It also replaced her bottom part, or the bottom part of the lightsaber with Mace Windu's, connecting them all together to make a lightsaber that I kind of like right now. Same thing I did with Ahsoka Tano's saber and part right here. Mace Windu's guard and hilt, handle, whatever you want to call it. Either way, as saying, you can swing these around. They ain't coming off. Once they click in, they don't come off until you unclick them, which is super simple to do. That piece right there, just hold it in, twist, comes off. Now this is fun to do, and I'm really excited for this set because there's a Darth Vader one, a Yoda, and a Darksaber, which I am going to find the Darksaber, try around, mess with these. Hopefully I can do this all outside because it gives me more room to swing them. Plus this seems fun, more interactions. Either way, I really hope you liked the video today. And if you did, please hit that like button. And if you're new, thank you for watching the video. This is Galaxy Fang saying, may the Force be with you.